हेलो गाइस, सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस करें बेल आइकन को ताकि आप हमारी वीडियो सबसे पहले देख सकें।
Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So, student, today I'll elaborate and give the descriptive version of third chapter from the first flight book, that is Two Story About Flying. If we talk about this chapter, so this chapter divided into two parts. Today I'll explain the first part of this chapter, that is a black aeroplane. Before this, I have explained about the first part of this chapter. Before proceeding, let me tell you that even before I uploaded a lot of useful videos which can be quite useful for you. So must check it once, and in same kind of videos we will continue to run. For that, you have to stay connected with our channel and share and subscribe. So student, today's video is going to be quite much interested and entertaining. So let's just start the video. So student, before proceeding to the story, let's take a look about the chapter. Here, this is the second part of Two Story About Flying, a Black Aeroplane, written by Frederick Forsyth. Student, in this chapter, the narrator is a pilot who was going to meet his family and dreaming about a quality time with his family. There, he met an incident, but the narrator, who is so eager to meet his family, that's why he takes a wrong decision and get into the storm. Somehow he manages to escape with the help of mysterious aeroplane. So this is what that we are going to read in this story. So student, story begin when narrator was flying over the France to England with his aeroplane Dakota DS-088. It was night time and the sky was clear. It was 1:30 and he was very excited that after a long time he was going to meet his family. And he was dreaming about holidays with his family. Now his plane was about to fly over the Paris and he could see the light of big city. He informed the Paris control agency that he was going to England. Further, he got the reply from control room at the Paris and he was instructed to turn 12° west. Now, after receiving the instruction, narrator followed them. All this time, he was only dreaming about his morning breakfast and about his family. Now, he was 150 kilometers away from Paris, followed the instruction that was given by the Paris control room. Now, suddenly he saw that black clouds in the sky approaching to him, and it seems to be like unsafe thunderstorm. Looking at the clouds, pilot compared them with huge black mountain. Now it was very hard for him to cross those black clouds, and he knew that amount of fuel that was the last tank, so could not choose another way. But willingness to meet his family and his English breakfast that he had been dreaming all day. Then he decided that he would take risk and get into the storm. Now here you can see on the picture surrounded area that was totally dark. Nothing was visible. It was dark outside and all the instruments stopped working. He lost the connectivity and his plane was shaking and the plane was totally out of control. Now narrator was not able to do anything. He tried many times himself to connect with the control room but could not connect. Suddenly he saw another aeroplane and there was a pilot inside. That was a black aeroplane came there to help him. He saw that pilot was giving him some instruction to follow it. Narrator knew that now he has no any other option. He followed Black Aeroplane like an obedient boy. He thought that other pilot is very kind, who was trying to help him. But other side, narrator was also panicked because it was indicating that there was very less amount of fuel left in the tank. Now, other pilot took his plane ahead of the lost aeroplane. You can see here. Now the Black Aeroplane took his plane ahead the lost aeroplane. After half hour of flying, narrator could see the runway and landed safely. When he turned back, he found that Black Aeroplane had disappeared. As he came out of the storm, he did not find anything. Now, the narrator was shocked. He went to the control room and asked about another plane and the pilot. Surprisingly, the lady who was in the control room informed him that there was no another aeroplane except his due to bad weather. After listening that lot of unanswered question in the narrator's mind, that who was that person inside in the Black Aeroplane, or it was only imagination of narrator. So the narrator keep thinking that, and still the question in the mind of the narrator. So student, this was all about this chapter. I hope you understand. If you enjoy this video, so kindly subscribe this channel and stay connected for more interesting such lessons in a Big Easy. So stay connected. Thank you for watching Learn Big Easy.